Thaal, Thaal, Mubarak, 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 Mubarak. Ladies and gentlemen, Thaal, Mubarak. As true, today is 14th March 2025. 14th March 2025, and this is the advent of spring in Kashmir. Advent of spring in Kashmir, and this is what Kashmiri pandits all over the world do, that they just decoration of the Thaal, this saucer, this platter, with all 12 items, salt, curd, rice, currency, the DT, the flour, and then of course, and then the salt, kulcha, and then the walnuts, and 12 items, and ladies and gentlemen, and the old nature patar. Nature patar means that 5,000, it has been going on for the last 5,100 years and counting. This is Saptrishi calendar, and then Soonth Thaal. This is known as Thaal Baran. And this almanac, this Jantri of Kashmiri Pandits, ladies and gentlemen, it is 5,100 years old. Counting and going, make no mistakes about it. It's very important, and after Navre, another 15 days, on 31st March, we'll be having the Navre. Navre means the advent of spring in Kashmir. After the treacherous and difficult, winter, there is spring in Kashmir. Just we say tata bye bye to the treacherous winter, and we welcome the Soant, means spring. It is a Kashmiri Pandit festival for the last 5,100 years. Now we are entering the 5,101 year. That is written history of Kashmiri Pandits. Through even after our exodus, our going away from Kashmir in 1990, today is 14th March 2025, and counting 5,100 years. Saptrishi Vikrami is 2081 year. This is 2024-25 Panchang Almanac, and now we'll be having 2025-26 Almanac on Navre. This is the old Panchang that we put in this Thaal Baran on this very important day of Soant. We know Soant, and this is the first one day before this Soant. We just decorate this. Kashmiri Pandits decorate this Thaal with different these 12 items to give us sanctity, give us peace, give us health, and the happiness all over the world. So ladies and gentlemen, we just on this very important day, this is the poem that Kashmiri Pandits have been reciting for the last 5,100 years. I just remember that 5,100 years, and that it goes like this. First of all, Soant Mubarak, Sarni Kashiran button all over the world, because it is purely a Kashmiri Pandit ritual that is known as Soant Mubarak. Soant means advent of spring in Kashmir, after tata bye bye to the treacherous and difficult winter. And the poem goes like this: kav karan tav, Haer, vanan, shehlaw, Bilbechro, shehlaw, Tekabatni. You just see Tekabatni is written there. Tekabatni Josh, Nanga kulen 15, because these trees were without trees were just in the winter, treacherous winter. There was no leaves. That's why it says Nanga kulen pandrav. Now the spring and blossoming, and the Baman is the name of my son. Baman is now on this, coming on these, on these plants. Nanga kulen pandrav. Hukhimeten Zuzav. Now they are having life. Kuklyi Boalaan. Kukl means that special type of bird. Kukl is now just doing her bit, and then Temis Boalaan, she is chirping. And Govind gav poashnuul Vanaan Haer Shamboo. You just see that this very important here, because it says the ethos, the culture and the roots of Kashmiri pandits for the last 5,100 years. Because from the just reading of this important poem for the last 5,100 years, also you can say that Shamboo name is there. Hey Shamboo, Kastoor Vanaan, Soanth. Kastoor is very, very important bird in Kashmir, heart of Kashmir, soul of Kashmir. That's why it says that Kastoor Vanaan, Soanth. One more time. Kav, karan, tav, Haer, vanan, Soanth. Bilbechro, shehlaw, Tekabatni Josh, Nanga kulen pandrav, Hukhimeten Kuklyi Boalaan, Govind gav poashnuul Vanaan Haer Shamboo, Kastoor Vanaan, Soanth. This beautiful Kashmiri tradition simply means welcome to the spring festival. Welcome to the spring festival, ladies and gentlemen. Some small mistakes, but then I have attempted to just, the very important thing that we need to do now is that keep our Kashmiri pandits rituals and culture alive. My parents, Shri P.K. Khair and Shata Khair in the background, and Jai Bajrang ki Jai. Hanuman ji blessings on the left, and on the right the blessings of the parents who brought me in this beautiful world. And that's why I'm just enjoying the beauty of this world. At the same time, happy spring, happy Soonth Mubarak. And then now we are going for the spring, and then afterwards the spring, and then the summer, then autumn, and then winter. These 4 seasons are very visible in Kashmir. But then outside Kashmir, they may not be so distinct, but we still, Kashmir lives in our soul, and Kashmir lives in our heart. Kashmir lives in the soul and heart of every Kashmiri Pandit, and say we live with our head high and we'll live with our spirits high. With our spirits high, we say that Soanth Mubarak, Soanth Mubarak, Soanth Mubarak, Soanth Mubarak. Now in 2025, after this, we'll be having Panchang. This is the old Panchang. Then we'll be having the new Panchang on the Navre. Again, there will be a Soanth Thaal on that day. That will be a platter of all these 12 items, which we have to see on the next morning. First thing is to see the Thaal for bliss, for grace, for happiness, and for joy. Joy of the family, joy of the self, joy of the community, and joy of the world, and joy of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I'm saying that Soanth Mubarak Zisas Soanth Mubarak Zisas, and going for the new year now, after another 10-15 days, that is Navre. I don't know the exact date, but then it's another 10-15 days that Navre is there. Navre will have a new Panchang, new Jantri, new almanac that will take us through 5,101 year, 5,100 first year, 2025-26. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy Soanth, ladies and gentlemen, my Kashmiri pandits. Thank you. God bless. Keep the Janda Parcham high and blunt. Thank you.